important to going to the pseudocode means because of in every company in the before the interview they ask you the pseudocode this type of puzzles to solve and they can see the how this enhance the students knowledge in this coding languages. So they easily grasp a point by this how they can solve normally students solve this pseudocode and to hire in this before the company. So in a lot of interviews also they can ask this like a OOPS concept and list and tuple based on the different topics in the Python. They ask it based on that. And so in presently in every company there is a section for only pseudocode. If you take any Wipro or Cognizant, Accenture, and this Capgemini, they are Infosys, and they are all combined with they given the only 10 questions in every section when you go through the question paper. So this pseudocode is very important to solve the questions. So basically in the programming language who are the stucks in the middle, also they have to start by beginning. They can start by this pseudocode is because of this for beginners it is very easy to build a logic to write a big codes rather than that going on the small codes. Okay, so let us discuss on this first problem. We go to that in the given code is it is in the list, so we have to execute by line how this going to mm, play a crucial role and how to solve this problem easily. So let us take any editor, any Python compiler to execute the code by line. And if some of the compiler have a debug option and some of that is not have, but it is easier if the debug option is there, then you can easily the code by step. But when you go to the in the exams, there is no time for that. But in this, I will explain the line by line how this executed and the answer will be going right way. So, but in these exams, they given them only stipulated time, and we have to answer in just in 1 minute. So we have to practice by one and day by day. So definitely we can crack this pseudocode. Okay, yeah, let's go and run it, and we have to answer is 2 3 4 5. So how will it get it? So we have to when we click on the debug, so it will show this. I mean line by line code how it is going to execute. Okay, so first is in my list the given value is 1 2 3 4, and it is in the loop. So for I in my list, print I plus 1. So first in my list, the value given 1 2 3 4 is already in the index is stored. Value will be 1 2 3 4, and this when we given the for loop, and already in this I value is 1, and we can add this one value, so it will be 2. So it will given step by step, then it will given the output to next add 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So the output will be 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, yeah, let us discuss to the second question. Yeah, so this answer correct answer is A, 2 3 4 5. Going to second question. So in this question the while loop, so let us discuss in line by line. Let us debug line by line how we can see the output. Yeah, so first of all my list is empty, and next I value given to 0, and when given the while loop I is less than 5. So in this iteration will be repeated before the value is less than 5. Okay, so first value will be printed and 0, and next value printed the line number 5. So my list dot append of I. So what is the I value will be printed, it will be added, and it will be stored into the my list. Okay, so we can see that when you executing line by line, so it will be printed 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, it includes 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, yeah, let us go to the second question. So this while loop is also is I is less than 5, so iteration is append by list, and it is incremented by 1. So the value is get appends 0 1 2 3 4 and reaches 5. The third question. So it given the in tuple, so let us discuss line by line. So for the loop iteration in the tuple is unpacked value given and the variable a and b. So let us discuss this third example. We are going to execute a line by line. So first of all, in the tuple in this zero index, it will be printed 1 and 2, and the next is in the one index we have to print it 3, 4, and 2 index it is printed 5 and 6. Okay, and let's given the for loop for a and b in my table print a plus b. So we can add that two values 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 5 plus 6. Okay, how it will be added? So a value will be 1 and the first index b value will be 2. So we can see that. So when we print the value will be a plus b. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, next is 3 plus 4 is 7. Next 5 plus 6 is 11. This is our output. Okay, yeah. Option will be B. So 3, 7 and 11. So let us discuss to the fourth question. So it is based on dictionaries. Okay, debug the code line by line. So first of all, in the dictionary, do you know each value will be represented between the and curly brackets. Okay, so for A it is assigned one value, B it is two, and C for three. And let us it is in the loop for loop. So for key in the my dictionary print key. So what is the value will be there? It will be printed. So we assign the value. Okay, to the dictionaries. Keyword is key, so it will be printed only key values means key dictionaries A, B, and C. Okay, yeah, that is your output. Loop iteration of the key dictionary in my dictionary. So in these dictionaries will be printed A and B and C. So the right option is A. Okay, let us go to the fifth question in the form of nested loop. Okay, and with including of list and tuple. Whenever you feel bored, so this kind of activity you have to do in a daily life. In a daily, you have to spend just 5 to 10 minutes. Your skills will be enhanced, and you will be a good coder. Yeah, I promise that definitely. But you have to consistent and you have to focus on this small kind of things. Literally, I will tell you that when you're learning a new language, so just um, your mind will be very calm. So learning the part and this small each syntax value, comma and full stop is also very important in the coding. Okay, so we have to assign value x and y 1 and 2 in this zero index. Let's next I value equal to 1 first value, so it will be printed. This value when we iterates multiple times, then the x and y values will be there, but we have to print only first value, so that's why it will be printed only first value of this element 1, 3 and 5. Yeah, this is our output. Let us go. So the answer is B. So it is not A because we have to say that we have to execute it in the code that one first value of this element 1, 3 and 5. Okay, this fifth question, it is option is B. Let us go to the sixth. It is given in the list comprehension with conditional. Basics common sense is very mandatory to build a logic. Okay, various platform is providing the free learning languages. You have to search in the Google and you have to practice. You have to learn in this W3 school and free code camp and other websites, and you can practice the code in the hacker rank and earth rank or lead code to enhance your coding abilities, to enhance yourself in the problem solving, right? So let's discuss in the code by line. So it given the value in the range of 10. So which is the value is divided by 2, it will be printed. Okay. So first value 0 will be printed, 2 will be printed because it's divided by 2, and 4 also divided by 6 also divide, and 8 also divide. Okay. So it is going to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This is our output. Correct answer is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. The answer is A. Let us discuss to the seventh question. This question is given the dictionary access and modification. So we already discussed in the what is the fifth question like a dictionary, but it is much more advanced. Okay. So let us a lot of resources will be there for free to learn the coding. So to enhance in every day, then you definitely get a job. Don't lose hope. Now let us discuss. And this first dictionary x value is value given 5 and y element given the value 10 and z given 15. So next the key value will be x. Okay, we have to x will be considered as key and phi value will be value. Okay, it will be dividing by 2. So in the x value will be 5. So 5 into 2, 10. So x value will be 10. So y value will be 20. And 15 into 2, it's 30. Okay, so in every iteration, it will divided by 2. So that is the answer. X equal to 10, y equal to 20, and z equal to 30. The answer will be A. Okay, let us discuss to the eighth question. Contain for loop and tuple indexing. Okay, so we have to go to this playground and we can compiler and we will execute the code line by line. Do you know in India, a lot of the members they are less proficient member are very less in the do the coding in to develop many websites. So the huge demanding will be there for coders in India. Okay, yeah, let us go to the debug. Yeah, already the tuple values 10, 20, 30, 40 will be assigned to these indexes 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see this right side. And let us play the code by line. So I value will be 0, so initial value. So the 0 value will be printed. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So the what value will given, it will be printed. Okay. It's just only basics I am explaining, going from beginners to advanced. Okay, so don't panic. I will explain higher concepts and lower concepts also. Okay. So the answer will be first A 20, 10, 20, 30, and 40. Right. Use the common sense and logic part when you solving the question in this company. Question like Accenture, Capgemini, or Cognizant. But it is need a calm mind and relaxed state, and you can solve anything. Okay, that is the fun of this easily to solve this pseudocode. But we need to guess the question right and in the stipulated time, right? So let us go to the ninth question. While loop and with dictionary values given. So let us go to the playground. Yeah, if the concepts are very clear in the basics, you will easily I mean, code any given complex question also. But if you the basics are very poor, then we didn't understand logic also. So we have to improve in the basics strongly in the basics. So we easily code is coding is not difficult when you are crazy. Okay, a value on the dictionary given a1, b2, and c3. So let us given I value is 1, while I less than 3. When we print my dictionary b value given 2, 2 into 3. So what is the I value will be multiplying. Okay, for example, 1 into b value 2, so 2, and next to 2, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6. So answer is 2, 4, 6, option A. Okay, let us go to the 10th question. Yeah, it is based on tuple and list iteration. Okay, so 0 index will be I value is even 1. So it append means I into 2, so it will be multiplying. Okay, so these are the basics 2, 4, and 6. Yeah, this also value is but it is in tuple. Okay, it is printed in tuple. Okay, my list value given in empty object in list. Okay, it will be 2, 4, 6. It will be given in tuple.